Welcome to Easy Delicious Nutritious. In this video, I'll share how I make Sabza for Nowruz, the celebration of spring and new beginnings. I'll be using half cup of lentils. Wash the lentils and soak in water. Place over the counter for 2 to 3 days. Change the water daily to keep it nice and fresh. Line your plate with clean cloth or paper towel. Add the lentils and give it a good soak for a minute. Drain the water and leave it on the counter for another 3 to 4 days. Give it a soak and rinse every day. You'll see the sprouts. On day 8, you will notice the roots coming out of the towel. Give it another rinse and remove the towel. The lentils look green and healthy. Please like and subscribe to help me grow my channel. Seeing the lentils grow make me feel so good that the spring is coming despite all the snow that we got this week. Rinse and drain daily to keep it moist and fresh. The roots look beautiful and healthy. It will keep growing tall depending on the light and the temperature of your house. Continue to water it as you start celebrating Nowruz. Happy New Year. Thank you for watching Easy Delicious Nutritious. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos.